Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Allie with NGM Modeling, and today I am talking about mistakes that models make at a modeling audition. All right, so one of the things that happens often is that people will show up and they'll do something and they'll mess up and they start apologizing over and over. Just recover and go with the flow. It's much more professional. Casting directors, we know that people mess up. We know that it's just human to make mistakes. But what we're really looking for is how quickly you recover from those mistakes. And that's what's really important to us, is to see you recovering from those and doing really well, and see how you bounce back from those to not let them get to you. So make sure you do not apologize for messing up. The second thing is, don't point out your negative aspects during an interview. You shouldn't draw attention to your weak spots because those are the things that you're conscious about. So sell your good points. You may get asked if you have weak points. Point out maybe one thing, but don't spend too much time discussing those areas, because those are areas that you're probably working on anyways, looking to get better. Next one is to be prepared to perform, to walk, to pose. Bring your heels and be ready to use them and work in them. Now, you're likely going to you could be sitting in front of just one casting director. You could be sitting in front of a group of people. So be sure that you're ready to perform in front of a group of people if necessary, so that you have the best audition possible. Next one is, don't wear too much makeup. A lot of times models will show up with a full face of makeup and their hair fully done, and you really can't tell. We can't tell what you look like if you've got too much makeup on. We can't tell, if you don't know what the project is, then you may not be a good fit if we can't really see what you have to offer and what you really look like. And then the last one, and probably one of the biggest mistakes that you can make, is don't be late. All right, if you've got a time slot, no matter where you live, big city, small town, if you're coming from a long ways from another state, there really is no excuse. You knew about the audition and you signed up for the audition. You had a time slot for the audition. So make sure that you are showing up on time, guys. All right. So I hope these tips will help you out at your next modeling audition. Share with us in the comments if you've got one coming up. Make sure you like and you subscribe to the channel as well. We hope to see you soon.